Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how ATKT, X or FEL student can enroll for different courses in BAMU University or colleges that are affiliated with BAMU University. Initially, all students need to visit this URL bamuaoa.digitaluniversity.ac/login. You can also find this link in the public comment box and in description as well. Then later on, you can read this line. Online application is mandatory or compulsory process for obtaining admission or enrollment. It means that if you are applying for the next year in your college or in BAMU University, then initially you must fill MKCL, that is university form. Therefore, to check eligibility if you are able to apply for next year, you can click on this checkbox. After clicking on this checkbox, you can click on this proceed button. Here you will get one notice, already student of this university. Here you need to select this checkbox and in this text field you need to enter your 16-digit PRN number. Since you already had enrolled for course in BAMU University during first year, you must possess this 16-digit PRN or enrollment number with you. Here I will enter 16-digit university PRN or enrollment number. Then at below I will click on proceed button. In this text field I must enter my password. In order to enter a password, you need to read password related information carefully. Here it is being mentioned that you are requested to enter the password as your date of birth in the format YYMMDD. It means if your date of birth is 1st February 2000, then you need to enter YY as last two digits of your birth year. In this case, last two digits of birth year is 00. Then next, you need to enter two digits of your month. If your date of birth fall in February month, then you must enter month digits as 02. And at last, you need to enter your date of birth. Suppose your date of birth is 1st. In this case, you need to enter 01 as digits in the place of DD. So this is YYMMDD format of your password. Here I will enter my password. After entering password, I will click on login button. After login successfully into your profile, you will be redirected into this dashboard. You need to scroll down this dashboard. At below in green color, you can find apply online button. You can click on this button. Then at the left side, you will find your appropriate course name. If you are a BSc IT student, then you can find BSc IT as your course name over here. If you are a BCS student, then you can find BCS course name. If you are pursuing different courses like BVoc and Multimedia Animation, BA, BCom and many other university listed courses, then your appropriate course name will appear over here. Then since I am looking to enroll for third year, here I can find third year fifth semester. If you are applying for second year, then you will find second year third semester. Here apply button is mentioned. You can click on apply button. Then next process is course selection. Initially you can select this radio button. It is medium of instruction, which is in English. Then in compulsory subject you can select first checkbox. Then rest of the checkbox will get automatically select. Next, I need to select optional group 1 subject. Here I am applying for BCA Science regular third year 5th semester and I am student of Devgiri College, Aurangabad. Therefore, I will select Data Communication Networking, this subject, as a optional group 1. Then in optional group 2, I will select beginning with PHP programming. Then I can click on proceed button. Later on, I will be listed the opted course of the 5th semester since I am applying for third year. If you are applying for second year, then you will receive here list of opted subjects which is present in third semester. To add next term courses, here I will click on add next term course button. Again, by default the medium of instruction as a English, this radio button will get selected. Then initially I need to select first checkbox and rest of the checkbox will get automatically checked. Here in optional group 1 I need to select cloud computing and optional group 2 I need to select advanced programming with PHP. Later on I can click on proceed button and in next phase I will get the list of subjects which is present in 6th semester of the BCA Science third year 6th semester course. Here I will click on proceed button. Then I will get one message, congratulations, you have successfully completed the application. Here I need to note down my form number. I can find my program name over here, application date and status as a completed. Then later on I will click on this print application form button. Again I need to click on this print application button and I will save this University MKCL form in the PDF format. After completion of online university application process, I will visit devgiricollege.org. Here in this web page at right side I will find one red color link. It is online admission and fees portal. I will click on this link. In this web page, in this text field I will enter my Devgiri College enrollment number or PRN number. Then later on in next text field I will enter my Aadhaar number. In this text field, I am supposed to enter my default password, which is 12345. If you scroll down this web page, then you will get information about your default password. Here, default password is mentioned as 12345 for each students. And after filling all the required details, I will click on login button. Then later on, I will be redirected into my profile page. This is profile page. Here I will click on admission link. Then later on there is another link, admission for next year. Again I will click on this link, and at last I will click on next year admission form. In next page I will click on submit button. Here my previous details will get fetched. In the select religion section, I will select my religion. For example, here I am selecting this as my religion. Then in category section, student need to enter students category. Here, for example, I will enter OBC as a student category. Then in caste section, if your caste is Maratha, then you can mention caste is Maratha. In this caste section, student need to enter their appropriate caste. At the bottom, student will find last year total marks. So if you have 1 or 3 back subjects in previous semesters, and if you try to search your result, you might have got this error, result not declared. Then in this case, how many marks you are supposed to enter in this section? If you are applying for third year, it means initially you were in second year and you had given third sem examination, and because of this pandemic situation, university has not conducted fourth sem regular examination. So in the third sem, if your result is like this, means 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the 6 subjects, and you got back in 2 subject. If you failed in this one subject, and if you failed in this second subject, and this one are the scores of your rest of the subjects. So it means out of 6 you have cleared 4 subject in third semester and you have failed in 2 subjects in third semester. Then your total score is 200, since you had cleared 4 subjects and each subject is for 50 marks. Therefore total calculation of 4 subject is 200. So your total marks is 200. And if you secured 25 score in each 4 subject, then your total will be 100. So in this case you have scored 100 out of 200. This is the scenario if you are applying for third year. If you are applying for second year, then here your SEM will be first, and in this section your SEM will be second. Now again, because of pandemic situation, university was unable to conduct second SEM regular examination, and in previous first SEM, if you have successfully passed in only 4 subjects and if you failed in 2 subjects, since 20 marks is needed minimum in each subject to pass, so you pass in total 4 subjects and each subject is for 50 marks, therefore your total marks is 200. And if you obtained 25 in each 4 subject, then your total obtained mark is 100 out of 200. So here in my case, since I am applying for third year and during third SEM I had secured in 4 subject, so here I will enter 200 as a total marks, and in this obtained marks section I will enter my obtained marks for 4 subject. Then I will click on percentage. My percentage will be calculated automatically over here. Then I need to scroll down this web page. I will click on choose file button. I will select university admission form image. Later on I will click on upload button. Here I have received image size should be less than limit. Remember students, if you want to upload university image file, then its size should be less than 200 KB or up to 200 KB. If its size is greater than 200 KB, then you will receive the same error message regarding image size should less than limit. Now I have reduced my image file size and it is less than 200 KB. So to upload it, again I will click on choose file. I will select university admission form image file and I will click on this upload button. I need to scroll down this web page. Here you can see that I have successfully uploaded my university admission form image file, and therefore I got the submit button. Then I will click on this submit button. Here I can click on print application form. You can click on this save button and save this form for the further reference. You have to also download this guarantee letter. In this way you can apply for the next year. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you really like this video, then you can thumbs up, you can like this video, you can share this video, you can comment on this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone.